So today we'll be in Port St Lucie checking out a brand new construction home that's move-in ready to go with no HOA. And I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes to lower their interest rate and monthly payment, and closing costs help so they have to bring less money out of pocket for closing. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too.
So this builder and model is incredibly unique in that all of their homes come turnkey, move-in ready with in-law suites designed into the floor plan. As someone who lives in a multi-generational home, having an independent wing of the house with its own entrance, living room, and kitchenette is so valuable whether you have an aging parent, adult children, or a blended family. I've even had clients in the past tell me they've rented out the in-law suite as an independent 1-1 to help offset their mortgage. Floor plans like these are hard to come by and underrepresented by builders, even though the need is there. And with this home coming in at over 2,100 square feet under air, you'll have a 4-3 plus a den, or a 3-2 plus a 1-1 with its own living room, a 2-car garage, and a huge kitchen at the center of the home with granite countertops, white cabinets, and tile throughout the entire house. You'll find their homes are upgraded with hurricane impact windows, an irrigation system, gutters, and all appliances are included. And I'm going to show you the entire home, but if you're wondering where the laundry room is, keep in mind that this model that we're taking a look at doubles as their office, so they've converted the garage and the laundry room. But I can show you how it'll actually look like in person. Another thing to consider, especially if you're not too familiar with the Port St Lucie area, is that this home is built with no HOA, which is commonly referred to as scattered lots. You're not in a community, but you also don't have any HOA fees, rules, or restrictions, and you have more space from your neighbor, especially with this home design. Having helped over 100 clients build their homes with many different builders in South Florida, my experience is in the differences and nuances of every one. For example, the standard size lot in Port St Lucie is 80 feet wide by 125 feet deep. But this is one of the only builders who bias their homes to one side, which may not seem like a big deal at first glance, but having an oversized side yard makes a pool even easier to build, or if you have toys like boats, jet skis, four-wheelers, and RV, or you run a business where you need to keep your truck or trailer at home, that makes a world of a difference. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about the incentives that I can get you and what lots they have available, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for this builder. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and can help work with you throughout the process with any builder or home that you ultimately decide to call your own. Remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on that right home and have the right person in your corner. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process.
So if you are interested in this home or even something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I'll be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you in buying or selling a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast.